How to remove a song from a playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove a song from a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove a song from a playlist on Spotify, go ahead and launch the Spotify application first, then make sure to log into your account. Then just go to your library section over here as you can find it, and from here you can select a playlist from which you'd like to remove a certain song. So over here you can see a certain amount of songs, or you can go to another playlist here. What you can do is just long press on it, on a song that you'd like to remove. Tap on the remove from this playlist option, and that song will get successfully removed from that playlist, and you can repeat the process for other playlists as well. This way you can remove a song from a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.